the news.
Today is International Nurses Day, and it is also the birthday of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing.
Here is Chloe with the weather.
Today will be a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 7 degrees and a low of -1. Isn't it May?
Here is Addison, Henry, and Brady with the sports.
In sports, the MLSC has been speaking with the Ontario government with the possibility of Toronto hosting games as the NHL resumes. There are 187 games left to play in the NHL. Go Leafs, go!
Me and my mom are playing pool. Pool is a game that has 16 balls. One of the balls is the white ball, called the cue ball. The other 15 balls are number balls, which are the object balls. There are numbers up to 15. 1 to 7 are solids, and 9 to 15 are stripes. The 8 ball is very special because if you hit the 8 ball in a hole before all of your balls are hit in, then you automatically lose. Let's start. So I'm gonna hit the white ball into those other balls, and then for that one, I go again.
The 2020 NFL football season depends on the testing in response to the second wave of coronavirus in fall. Football can be the perfect setup to spread the coronavirus, so vigilant testing and how people respond in the fall will help determine what the 2020 NFL season could look like. According to Dr. Anthony Fauci, the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, according to him, an athlete's sweat is not the threat to spread the virus, but the danger of players shedding the virus would still be high during a football game.
Here is Summer with the interesting facts.
Did you know McDonald's once experimented with bubblegum flavored broccoli?
Here is Zoe with the jokes.
What's the difference between a cat and a comma?
I don't know.
The cat has claws at the end of the paws, and a comma is the pause at the end of the clause. Why did it get so hot in the baseball stadium after the game?
Why?
All the fans left.
Just want to wish my dear friend and homeroom partner, Mrs. Gillis, a wonderful birthday. Hope you have an amazing day.
Here is myself and Elle with the performance.
good girl.
Morning, Fernhill School. It's Miss Orion here with the Trans-Canada Challenge update. As you know, our challenge was supposed to run from last Monday until Sunday evening. Now, we are so close. Miss Orion couldn't handle ending the challenge on Sunday. I have decided that as of Tuesday, this morning, we are going to have a one-day final push to make it to the end of the Trans-Canada Challenge Highway. We are almost there. We have traveled 6,178 kilometers, which puts us on the ferry between Prince Edward Island and Nova Scotia. We are on the East Coast. We need to go through Nova Scotia and then head our way back across to St. John's. So can we please get out, get walking, get your steps. If you haven't updated your steps yet, get on there and update your steps, so see if we can complete this challenge. I will give you guys an update on Wednesday morning. Have a great day, Fernhill. Get out and be active.
Good morning, Fernhill School. I hope that everyone's having a great week so far. Some very exciting news to announce that starting next Wednesday, we're going to be having our first club session for term 3. So all of your teachers are going to do a quick announcement of which club they will be hosting and for which grades. And then during your lunch homeroom time, you will be able to sign up for a club. Look forward to seeing all of the wonderful choices. I myself will be hosting the SK to grade 3 Structures and Lego Club.
All right. Hello, everyone. This is Miss Pavley.
And Miss Daly.
And this term we are so excited to host Eco Art Club, where we combine your love of art with the love of the environment. So what are we going to need for our first Eco Art Club, Miss Daly?
Well, this Wednesday for Eco Club for term 3, the first class you're going to need to bring some newspapers or flyers that you have from home. So don't be quick to throw those in the recycling. We need them for Eco Art this Wednesday. You're going to need a pair of scissors and some tape or glue, some white paper, and whatever coloring materials you have on hand.
Awesome. I can't wait. All right, everyone. We'll see you soon.
Attention all preschool and JK students, we finally have a club for you. I'm so excited. Myself, Miss Zhao, Mrs. Mancini, and Miss Curry will be running a cooking club for all the preschool and JK students that are interested. All you need are basic ingredients that you can find around your house, and we'll be making things like fruit kebabs, ants on a log, maybe some fun pancakes, or some shape food. So we hope to see you there.
Hi everybody, I'm going to be hosting the Arts and Crafts Club for students in SK to grade 3. So if you're interested in being creative, please sign up for our club. We'd love to see you. The first project we're going to be working on is called Doodle Art. So you will need a few materials. The first thing you will need is a white piece of paper or cardstock. You're going to need some markers or colored pencil crayons, a black marker, and something circular to trace. So a cup or a glass. Hope to see you there.
Hello Fernhill friends, this is Miss V, and I'm gonna make a pitch for my musical jamboree club, which is open for grade 1 to grade 8 for everyone who wants to make some musical instrument at home. So homemade musical instruments, for example, a coffee tin with lid or without, or a yogurt tub like that, or you can use, of course, empty and cleaned and the ridges pushed down so you don't cut yourself, as also as a scraper instrument. Then something like this, like a little finger cymbals, or just a piece of wood. This is a scrap wood. And of course our best friend, a wooden spoon. And with wooden spoon we can play all the other instruments too. And for example, in a Tupperware you can put a corn or rice or beans, and you get the shakers. So get creative and see you in the club.
Oh, hey Fernhill, are you an SK to grade 3? And do you like working out? Come join me at the fitness club. all you need is some active clothes and a little bit of space so we can do our exercises. See you there!
Hey Fernhill, Miss Simons here. As you can see, I've turned off all the really bright lights and I put on some relaxing music. And that's because I'll be hosting a yoga and mindfulness club. It's a chance for us to relax, unwind, and reset our bodies and our minds. I look forward to seeing you there. Namaste.
Hi, hola. I'm inviting you to learn more about Spanish culture and Spanish language. Come join me. My club is open to all students grade 4 to grade 8. See you.
Good morning, Fernhill. One of the stories of the origin of chess is that it was invented by a wise man to teach a king who was a tyrant the importance of every residence in his kingdom. So in the game of chess, we learn that pawns, rooks, bishops, knights, the queen and the king are all important and all have to be used effectively to win. Chess is played by more people in the world than any other game, and I am happy to offer an online chess club for students in grades 4 to 8. Come join me.
Hi Fernhill School, my club is for grades 4 and up. If you've got a Rubik's Cube at home and you want to join me, if you know how to solve it, we'll do some time speed challenges, and if you don't know how to solve it, I will show you the one simple algorithm and the 7 steps on how to implement it, and then you'll be solving the Rubik's Cube before you know it. Join me.
Now, it may not look like it, but I like to say that I'm quite the baker and cook in this house. So seeing all these ingredients here, I'm going to be starting the baking club for grades 4 to 8. So if you're interested, please sign on up. So good.
Hi everyone. Did you know Sudoku was originally invented by Swiss mathematician? Did you know Sudoku is a logical game and doesn't require any mathematics? Did you know Sudoku puzzles are played so often that no one knows exactly how many people play it? So grade 4 to 8, please join me for Sudoku club with your pencil, eraser, and a Sudoku puzzle.
If you love animals like I do, then this club is for you. If you are in grade 8 to 6, this club is for you. If you have a pet or no, this club is for you too.
Hi Fernhill. This term for clubs, I will be offering a sketching and drawing club for SK to grade 3. For this club, you will need a sketch pad, a pencil, markers, and pencil crayons. I hope to see you there.
Hi Fernhill School, this is Miss Cheng here. For clubs this term, I will be doing scavenger hunt. So if you are excited to search for things or you are a good detective, feel free to join me in the scavenger hunt club. This is for grades 2 to 4, okay? I'll see you there. Bye. Take care.
I will be hosting a trivia club for any of you in grades 6 to 8 who think you know a lot of random facts and are up for some friendly competition. Hope to see a lot of you there.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to be hosting Games Club this term, so if you'd like to come and join me for some Pictionary, some trivia, some headbands, lots of fun games, please come and play with me in Games Club.
Hi, it's Mrs. O'Kiss. I will be running a sleepover club for grades 2 to 4. So grab your jammies, pillow, and stuffed animal, and come meet me for some fun. Hope to see you there.
Thank you for sitting quietly during the grade 4 CP assembly. Have a nice day.